Adobe Captivate 8, we have made some nice enhancements in the smart shapes. Let me show all of them to you. So here, if you go to Captivate and insert shapes, you will find that the number of shapes available here have become less. And if you're wondering where are the other shapes that used to be available in the previous versions, I'll show you how to access them. Just insert the shape and then double click it to access the properties inspector. Here you will find that under this basic shape, you will have all the other shapes that are in the basic category. Let's see what happens if we add any other shape. Let's add this plus sign. And you will notice that along with this plus sign, the other mathematical operators are also available. So you can easily switch to any other style and it will take that particular. Let me show you one more thing that you can do with Adobe Captivate 8. In the previous versions as well, you could take the polygon tool and create a shape. So keep clicking at the point where you want the shape to go, and then at the end point, as soon as you see the circle, double click to create the shape. Now with this shape created, what you can do is you can go to the custom area in Properties Inspector, click this menu and say Save Shape. This shape will now be saved in your custom menu, and whatever shapes you use which are more frequently used will be available in the recently used shapes panel. You can do one more thing. You can add an existing shape, so maybe this one, and then you can edit its point by converting it to freeform, and you get these points. Now you can go and make changes to it. So catch hold of these black handles, and the red points will allow you to make some curves here. So you can hold those handles and create the curves that you like. And once you are done with all these things, you can go ahead and save this shape the way you saved with the polygon shape. So I'll save the shape, and now you can see that in my recently created custom shapes, you have this shape as well. Now one very exciting thing that I want to tell you. Add a shape, and if you want to use it as a button, you can go and check use as button as before, but now with the buttons you get the states as well. Previously there was no way to change the color and style for the shape for hover and down state. Now you have all of that available. So this is my normal state. If I go to down, I can go and change the color to something else, and I can go to rollover and change the color to something else. And now when I go and preview this, I will see all three states in my shape button. So that will allow me to use my smart shapes as true buttons. Thanks for watching this video.